How to fix Star Citizen lag. So here are the ways on how you can fix the lag in Star Citizen. So first thing you want to do is adjust the in-game settings, particularly the graphic settings. You need to reduce the resolution, lower graphic settings, and disable features like VSync if they cause issues. Now for the performance mode, if available, select high performance or ultimate mode to prioritize game performance. And for power options, ensure your power plan is set to the high performance in Windows settings. And for VSync, like I've mentioned, if using VSync, turn it off or make it like settings like fast or triple buffering to see if it improves performance. And for low latency mode, if you have a low-end machine, consider enabling ultra or on for low latency mode. And next thing you want to do is optimize your system. So it's more on the hardware and the software of your device. So you have to have SSD installations. You need to have enough RAM to play the game. You need to increase your page size, which is helps manage memory usage. You need to have a CPU affinity, disable the hyperthreading, which is the SMT, and clear shader files, clean up hard drives, update your drivers, disable conflicting programs, and defragment hard drive if applicable. And lastly is for advanced tweaking. You need to have NVIDIA control panel settings for this kind of feature. So you can set the shader cache size to 10 GB under global settings. You can also add Star Citizen file and configure the settings like VSync and many more. And you can set the texture filtering anisotropic to on. And then lastly, here's some other tips on how you can get it to fix the lag itself. You can just verify the game files, close unnecessary applications, restart your computer, and monitor your performance, and then check for viruses by running a scan on antiviruses that you have. And that's how you can basically fix Star Citizen lag.